This is IGK Instant Repair Collection for damaged hair that needs extra care. This range of formulas significantly repairs mechanical, chemical, and heat damage and helps you achieve your healthiest hair from start to finish. And she clearly has chemically processed hair, so this collection is going to be perfect for her. Our new restorative regimen treats fragile, damaged, over-processed hair to instant repair. It's formulated with clean, clinically proven vegan silk and biomimetic bond-building technology to help reduce breakage and increase strength from inside out. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait for you to try these products out, and I hope you and your clients love them.